what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to solve the 7x7 Rubik's Cube. I use reduction method, so first we do the centers, and then we do the edges, and then we just reduce it into a 3x3. So my method might be a bit weird from the other reduction method, but that's okay. So first, you create a center and an inner edge piece like this. And then you put an inner corner piece with an edge piece like that. And then you connect it to the one you made just now, making a little square. If it doesn't make a square, move it up, rotate the face 90 degrees, move it back down, and then just keep doing that until it does make a square like this. And then we need to get another inner corner piece with another inner edge piece. Like that. And then we have to do the same thing, like move it down. Oh, that doesn't make the square. Rotate the face 90 degrees. That makes a rectangle, so it's okay now. For the inner last three pieces, we need to make a bar. Like this. That's only two pieces, so we need to find another pieces. And then we finished our bar. Now you just have to insert it like that. And then we have the whole inner square. Now we just have to do the same thing but bigger. So first thing we want to do is to get these three pieces onto this side. So you match them up like this. This piece and this piece can go together. So you move them together. Rotate the top and then move the layers down again, just in case you messed anything up. But that's not the pieces we need because only two pieces are in. So you need to find another piece, like this piece and this piece. So you can just do a slice move, rotate the face, and then slice it back. And then now we just completed it. Like this. So there's the inner center, and then these are the three bars. If you have extra pieces, don't worry. If you have something like this, just move it out of the way, move it up, rotate the top so that there isn't anything on the bar, and then move it back down, and then you don't have anything else. And then now we have to make four pieces, this, and this. We already have two matched up, so we just have to do some more. Like this can go here, so we just slice that down, move it, and then slice it back up. And then now we need another piece. Here we can just move it down so it creates four bars, move the face, and then move it back up again so you still haven't messed it up. So now we just do the same thing. Put down, oh, it's not a square. Rotate. Put down, still not a square. Rotate. Put down, now it's a square. So now you completed these, and then we have these more pieces. Now we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can just use the same method of pairing. Like this goes with this, so move them together, move them out of the way, and move it back up. And then this might seem a bit weird to you, but you can insert this in too because it's one of the pieces, even though you don't have the middle piece, and then just do the same thing. And then now you can just insert the middle piece, but it's on the other side. So we just move the inner piece down, and then insert it, like slice it down, move it out of the way, slice it back up. And then now we do the same thing of making a rectangle. So move it down. No, not a rectangle. Move it down. Oh, it is a rectangle. So that's how. And then now we have to do the last line. So you just keep combining pieces like that. And then you just keep finding more pieces and combining them like that. And then you completed the bar, and then you can just insert it to make your first center. For the next center, you can choose whatever color you want, but I'll start with the one that's not opposite. Because I just did red, I wouldn't do orange because that's opposite. So I'll do one of these middle colors. And I would do green because there's already one piece connected. And then now we can just insert. So now, this piece goes with this, so we can match them up, move it out of the way, and move it down. And then use the same method. Oh, it already makes a square, so move it out of the way and move the slice back up. And then now you just keep doing that, and already we got a free pair, so we can just insert it in like that. And then now you just have to do the rest, like this piece goes with this piece, so you can just move it up, move it out of the way, and move it down again. But these two pieces are the same side, so how would we do that? So we just slice this small piece down, like that, move it where it should be, and slice it back up again, making the last bar. But now, now we just don't normally insert it like this because it'll mess up the red. So first, we mess up the green we already made, do a double F move, and then it gets it back, and it also preserves the red face. So now we just have to do the same thing we did on the red face, which is creating 3 pieces like that. So we can just do it like, first, we got 2 pieces, this is the wrong piece. Some of you might make that mistake because this piece does not go in. So we need to find a piece that does go in like that. And then this piece goes in as well, so you can just do that and get the whole thing in. So that you have this. And as I said, don't worry you have extra pieces. You can just move them out of the way or leave them there. Both are fine. And then now the next thing you want to do is get these 4 pieces. So you can just combine 2 of them like that. And then you can just combine this to here. And then move it out of the way, slice it back up so you're still preserving the red face. And now this piece goes here, so we just connect it and move it out of the way. You just keep doing that for the rest of the centers, except for the last 2 centers, which you can't pair them up anymore. And this is part 1, centers. Part 2 is going to be last 2 centers. Part 3 is going to be edges. And part 4 is going to be parity. And then you can just do the 3 by 3.